Reading Pioneers is proud to present Mouse and Hippo by Mike Twohy. Whoa! Oops. Excuse me. I had an itch. Your itch was me! And help! I can't swim! Help! 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 Would you like to open your eyes so you can watch yourself being rescued? I'm sorry I dumped you in the lake. It really wasn't your fault. I should be more careful where I set up my easel. Let me put your painting back on the easel. Wow! This looks just like real water. For saving me, I would like to paint your portrait. You can keep it when it's done. I've never had my picture painted before. I can't wait to see me. What should I do? All you have to do is not move. And please don't talk while I concentrate. I want to look good. Is this my best side? Be sure to make me look strong. When I smile, I have a little dimple. I'm going to be quiet now. As quiet as a mouse. You're so big that I'm going to use my biggest brush. Gee, you don't really know how big a hippo is until you try to paint one. There, done. You can come look. My paper was too small to fit all of you in. Do you like it? It's awesome! If I use my imagination, my ears are probably way up here. And my dimple is right here. I'm sorry your dimple was higher than my paper. I can't wait to get it home and hang it over my bathtub. You can come over and see it anytime you want. I love my portrait so much, I'd like to paint one of you. No one has ever painted me before either. You can use my paper and my brushes. You are so little that I'm going to use your littlest brush. Okay, stand still, just like I did, and be as quiet as a hippo. It might help you to know that I like cheese, and I'm a fast runner. Also, my mother says I have beautiful whiskers. Okay, here I go. I'm painting. I bet it's going to be good because you're taking a long time. Can I see it yet? Almost done. All right. You can look now. Do you like it? I love it!
You made me look so cute!
I didn't have a small enough brush to paint your whiskers.
It's perfect! I'd like to hang it over my fireplace. Uh-oh. It's too big for my door. But wait, I have an idea. You can decide where to cut. There. How does it look?
It's a little crooked. That's perfect.
You can come over and see it anytime you want.
Thank you everyone for joining us today to the story of Mouse and Hippo. I think this is what true friendship is all about. Who is your best friend? What do you do with them? Comment below your thoughts about the story and maybe share some experiences you have with your friends just like Mouse and Hippo. If you're new to this channel, I try to upload a story or two every week, and a couple of them are here now that you can check out. Well, that's it for now. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.